Hey Aquarius, this is going to be for you and what I was saying. A little bit chaotic situation or a little bit of chaos in mind and heart. It's like rolling. Maybe you're already thinking, maybe it's going to happen because this is about what is coming for you. And what is coming for you is very fast communication with the friction, which means that someone, whoever here, is controlling not to speak what they exactly want to speak or what they exactly want to write to you. So, this is going to be timeless as per your timelines. And I do feel like this is this person's chaos in mind as well, of course. But I have my own deck here, and the word written over there is resisting because I shuffled it, I kept it, and I thought, like, I'm going to just show you. So let's see. But yeah, someone is really resisting, controlling not to speak about their feelings. I do feel that. Um, or for how long someone can resist it? And that is the question actually in this time frame. We're going to shuffle and see what is coming for you. We're going to see the top card as well. We are going to see the bottom energy as well. Yes, there's this high priestess. Your heart, your intuition is already telling you there is this matter. Okay, so the thing that is here coming, a very clear sentence, is that in the now, the phase you are living, the situation you're into, especially if it's regarding someone's answer or someone's feelings or something hidden, but your intuition is telling you something is not what it is, it's there or what they're showing. So let me tell you, whoever is not exactly telling, mm, but the reality is that they feel very strong for you, and there are intense emotions here. I do see like it's accumulating right now. Yet not out, but this person is resisting, and maybe that is why the message is of control and resistance. Okay, so let me see the top card. Hmm. Five of Wands energy. It's like a challenge for this person to comprehend first self and then later on tell, because what they're fighting is resistance, okay, or resisting, controlling themselves. What they're fighting is their own feelings because they're trying to figure out, hey, what is going on. And also with the Five of Wands, I feel like this there is competition around, which in the way, like they already either know or they know that people are attracted to you. People are um like suitors are there, okay, and if they're going to be late, someone is going to say something, okay, like you're not waiting for anyone. It doesn't mean that you are just getting involved with people, no. It's just like, yeah, like you choose very wisely, but the point here is that maybe you're not even interested right now in anything or anyone. But the thing is that they know that they can lose you any, in an instant. They know it, like there are people who are interested in you, and your energy is like you're just going with the flow with your work and things like that. And as I said, maybe you're not at all interested in dating right now, but they don't know that, okay? So yes, there is this situation, there is this possible person wherein it's it's not what is shown to you. So if they're showing, like, hey, how have you been, so where it means I care for you a lot. Where they say, like, no, I just asked like that, no, they asked because they are so much interested in knowing whether you're doing well or not, okay? Yes, there is someone who is like you of their desire. In special words, you're their desire. They're going to get you, if the gift is you, I mean, so awesome. So yes, someone is wishing to be with you. You are their wish, you're their desire. Yes, but there is also distance. Yes. And what, look, beneath it is Knight of Cups. So yes, accumulated feelings, and feeling very shy and maybe even scared that how to tell you exactly what they feel for you, okay, because they feel something that is connected with stability, grounding. Aquarius. So they need to stop this resisting and then things can go ahead. Okay, so there is something that is going to just roll in your life happening. It's going to be arrival, it's going to be also your going somewhere, like kind of departure. Maybe travel is on cards for some cases, but with the Nine of Pentacles energy, there is this situation scenario that is saying it's going to grow on a positive note. Okay, there's also someone you're talking to right now. I do feel very very strong you're talking to someone right now. Of course you are talking because they are talking, so reciprocation is there. Maybe a little or so too much, but whatever it is, it is happening here. There is someone in your territory, they have entered in your life for around like possible maybe 9 months ago, or some 10 months ago. Okay, maybe that's the scenario, or around 8 to 9 to 10 months scenario, wherein I want to say it depends, okay, from person to person what is going on, but what I can feel exactly is that you're talking. Okay, so you're a very independent person and they respect you. There is this respect when you people, communicate, or just text talk or whatever that is, but the talk is there. Okay, source could be any. You have 10 of Pentacles. Where this is heading is into, for some of you this is going to be heading to commitment, more clear zone here. That's what I see. um it's increasing, but increasing on a very beautiful note. Okay, on a beautiful note. So for some of you there is this loyal connection, reliable connection, commitment coming. Someone is going to say what they have to say, just one step, like someone is day by day trying to figure you out and you're trying to figure this person out if you are. So which means that both of you are mutually involved, or you're going to get involved because you're going to see this person's effort. You know what I'm catching on the messages? You suddenly want to stop and see the things you weren't seeing. So you want to observe this situation more close, because your energy is like, literally as an Aquarius, you're like, I want to see this, where this is going. I want to see what they want to say. I want to see what they're about to write. I want to see. I want to witness that. Okay. What is in future? They're showing me that some people have stopped. So maybe these are other connections. Some people have stopped, or someone has stopped visiting somewhere. You stopped visiting somewhere, someone's profile, or someone stopped visiting your profile. It just stopped visiting. The word those are coming, they're stopped visiting. So is it good? You'll know. Okay, you'll know very soon. Okay, these two cards were in my hands. Okay, we need to take it. Something is rolling and it's going to be rolling in your favor, and nice thing. So when you drive, when you move, things things are left behind also. And that is why maybe stopped visiting. So whoever stopped visiting, or whoever did this connection, for what? For the release, for new beginning and new understanding and new things to arrive. So with loyalty and leap of faith kind of energy, zero the fool, beginning is happening. But what is behind? They're saying that whoever left or whatever left, and universe, I certainly want to say God is asking. So whoever is having faith in, God, whoever has faith in only universe as in total, whoever has any, as per cultures and all different religions and all, you have your own faith in something or someone. Okay, that is for all. So they want you to know that it was for the better, because hidden card is Three of Swords. Because someone disappointed you, they broke your heart. Is it because of a breakup or sudden thing that happened, sudden stop, sudden things? Maybe it just happened 3 weeks ago, or it just happened on third date of something, third, this is third month current. So it's on. So if you listen to my reading in the same month, you'll know. If you listen to this ahead, because these are timeless, so you'll know that what happened possible, or 3 months ago, or maybe 3 months ago it's something started, suddenly it stopped, and it was like, oh, no interest, someone wandered away kind of, and they walked away kind of thing. So why this happened, it was to protect you from that was not coming for you from this person's side, because this person is a wanderer, and they're not, and they fool around as well, and they manipulate and all that stuff. So is it because of third case? Is it because of separation? Is it because of something that stopped suddenly, disappointed you, or miscommunication, or no communication zone that happened here? They are saying that that was all for good, and that message when I just said. So we need, what we need is one more card, because we already have two cards, and these two cards are different for different message. I'm feeling so short of breath. I don't know what is coming for you. Is where I stopped and I looked, and this is what is coming. Page of Cups is coming, darling. Okay, this is a sincere connection. So whatever happened, couldn't settle, when happened, why, you'll get all the answers here. Okay, so whoever is resisting, they're coming with some kind of offer. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Also, you're talking to someone. They're about to speak something. You're not even ready, but their sincerity is at peak. Okay, so let me see peekaboo in the future more a little bit. Yes, this offer is coming, and it's like long time coming for some of you. With Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's see. Seeing this with you. Oh, okay. Ain't going anywhere. Four of Pentacles energy. This offer is profound. Offer is, I'm sorry, this offer is navigating towards you. Okay, it's coming towards you. Someone who's going to be more caring and concerned, and you're always on their mind and in their heart. This person is overthinking all the time. You're there. Even if they do the work, you're there. So it's not like they forgot. They are not going anywhere. Ain't going anywhere connection. Feeling very possessive for you. Okay. Mm. And they're saying that just turn to your side. Okay, what? They're saying remember me. Okay. I'm giving you this message this way. They're saying remember me, don't forget about me. This person is thinking about you, but you also need to know that in this person's life right now, a lot of things, like, maybe some work they're trying to get to. They want to just stabilize all those aspects in their life, but they're going to tell you this. They're going to soon tell you what they feel for you. Okay. Yes, someone is working really hard. Okay, what is that I need to know? What is that I need to know? Need to know, need to know. Yes, see. No, there's so many. No, can't take it. Okay, in front of me there's one of my perfumes by Shakira. So I can see her picture in front of me. So I am remembering one of the songs, and that is evergreen kind of. Okay, hips don't lie. So, and the lyrics, okay, and the one sentence is like, oh baby, when you talk like that, you make the women go mad. That is the sentence, right? Whew. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. Heavy feeling. What is for Aquarius? What is for Aquarius? Oh, they can't forget you. Okay, this is very weird because I don't know what exactly the message, but that's what I heard. Um, they cannot forget you. Someone cannot forget you. And when I said like this, remember me. Okay, so can't forget you or cannot forget you. The Hermit is reversed. Okay, Virgo, you're on someone's mind all the time. They cannot forget you. Like, you know what they're saying, that they are searched. They might be right now away. They might be thinking a lot of stuff and everything, but whoever this person is, they cannot find. They're unable to find peace anywhere because you're always on their mind. So they can't escape your thoughts, basically. So whoever cannot escape your thoughts shall return, or they would love to return and talk to you. There's a big confession coming. So with resisting, there's a big confession coming. Okay, because whoever is doing this, they won't be able to do it for long. And you know what? I'm also hearing the word, and I'm going to do this reading next. But the word is since, SINCE. Okay, so since when? Okay, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.